Hi, Tom here with this week's Circle Line Art School video. In this week's Circle Line Art School video, I'll show you one way to draw a simple house using two-point perspective. First, draw a horizontal line and then draw a dot either end for the two vanishing points that we'll need for this drawing in two-point perspective. Next, draw the vertical line in the middle of your horizontal line. This represents the nearest corner of the house that we're drawing. It's best to use two-point perspective when looking at the corner of a building that's receding to the left and to the right. Next, draw a line from your left vanishing point to the base of the vertical line, and then draw another line from the right vanishing point, again to the base of the vertical line, the corner of the house. Now we can repeat that by drawing two more lines to the top of the vertical line from the left and right vanishing points. These should be drawn as guidelines, which are soft lines which are easy to erase later on, and these guidelines help guide our drawing so that the receding lines of the house go towards the two vanishing points on our horizon line. Next, we need to draw a vertical line on the right and another on the left to show how wide the house is and that it's not infinite. It doesn't go all the way to the horizon line. The house is near to us and the horizon line is distant. So we need to show the width of the house in our drawing by drawing two more vertical lines. Next, on the right, we can draw a diagonal cross, again using guidelines, soft lines that are easy to erase. The point where these cross lines meet is the center of the wall on the right, when seen in two-point perspective. Next, we can use this cross and draw another vertical line through the cross and above the height of the wall on the right. On this line, we can draw a triangle for the pitch of the roof of the house on the right. Now we know the position of the center of the top of the triangle because of our cross and our guidelines. As you draw the triangle, let the lines of the roof overhang the base walls on the right-hand side of the house. You can find where these lines should stop so that they're in line with each other by drawing a guideline from one of them to the other and also to the vanishing point on the right. For all the lines in this drawing, you could use a ruler or just draw them hands-free. It's up to you. Next, we can use the vanishing point on the left as a guide for all of the lines of the roof that recede towards the left of our point of view. And the slope of the edge of the roof, the left-hand side of the triangle on the right, we can copy the left-hand side of that triangle on the left of the roof edge so that we have the left edge of the roof. Now we have a basic house in two-point perspective with a simple pitched roof. Next, we can draw guidelines for the top line of the front door using the vanishing point on the left as the wall is receding towards the left-hand side of our drawing. Next, draw two short vertical lines from the base of the house to the new guideline, and now we have a front door. Next, we can repeat this process to draw some windows on the side of the house on the left. Notice that all of the receding lines on the left need to go towards the left vanishing point, and all of the vertical lines will stay vertical, and they all need to be parallel with the first vertical line that we drew, so they're not leaning to the left or leaning to the right, they're just going straight up and straight down. So they match the angle of the corner of the house, just a straight vertical line. When using two-point perspective, it's best to pick a subject like a house or a building. This is because these subjects often have many parallel lines that are at right angles to each other, doors and windows and walls. And two-point perspective is a very useful technique for showing depth when drawing buildings because of these right angles within the buildings. When choosing to draw in two-point perspective, make sure you're looking at your subject from the corner, so the part of your subject, the building, that's nearest to you should be the corner of the building. And then we can be looking at it to the left and the right, using a vanishing point on the left and a vanishing point on the right. For two-point perspective to work best, it's a good idea for the nearest corner of the subject of the building to be towards the center of your drawing, and the vanishing points for the receding side should be on the distant left and the distant right of your horizon line. To learn more about drawing in perspective and to find details on my drawing courses for beginners, my art books and my drawing resources, please visit circlelineartschool.com. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School, to keep up to date with all the content that I make. My most recent book, The Habit of Seeing, is now available to order. Please click the link to learn more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.